Hi, my name is Dee, your favorite tax coach. Welcome to the Ultimate Tax Preparation Academy Schedule C training, Understanding Sole Proprietor Tax Returns. In this course, you will learn how to prepare Schedule C tax returns from start to finish. We will break down each section of Schedule C, including business income, deductible expenses, cost of goods sold, vehicle information, and other business expenses. You will also learn how Schedule C connects to Form 1040, how self-employment tax is calculated, and what documents are needed to support business deductions. This course is designed for new tax preparers, bookkeepers, business owners, freelancers, and anyone who wants to understand how sole proprietor tax returns are prepared. By the end of this course, you will feel more confident reviewing, preparing, and explaining Schedule C tax returns. Enroll today, and let's get started.